is it a crime to be nice?
No, it's not. And it's not.
So why then do they have to end up that way?
One thing is, you can't actually teach someone how to treat you.
Really?
Yes.
If you can't teach them,
you can't teach someone how to treat you.
Really?
So you do your part. And I think why we are always disappointed at the end is you expect them to do same for you.
Yes.
And we are all coming from different backgrounds.
Fact.
Yes. So right now, my mindset is I'll do the good thing I think is good for you. Then I'll leave. If you want to reciprocate it, that's fine.
Okay.
Yes. And if you want to act the other way around too, that's fine. It's you. I don't expect anything from you because I'm doing you good or something. Yes.
But have you not sort of expected anything particularly? Let's say maybe you did somebody a solid that you're expecting that, in this time, in this era, when you do someone a solid, you're expecting
I think I have an experience with that.
Okay.
And at first I used to think the way I'm a good person,
that's how everybody's supposed to be.
That's how everyone is supposed to be. So when I see that someone is paying me back with evil, I don't understand. I will cry. Like, I'll be like, what is happening? If it was me, I wouldn't do that. So why are you doing this? And then I realized later that that's how people are. It's because I've been expecting them to do what I do. That's why it's turning up like that. So I should just leave them, do the good you want to do, and just go.
Right.
Yes, that is it.
You're a nice boy. Refined boy, your hands. They tear me pass. One thing, though, it's not a bad thing, but I feel people overly exaggerate those compliments because, God created us in His own image and likeness. And then the saying goes, beauty, they say, lies in the eyes of the beholder. So, I'm not sort of being overly awed about the compliment, but I feel it's just too much.
Too much?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, mine is someone saying you are rich or you have money, like those things.
Am I sitting with a DBee? Maybe I'm not getting it right. Okay.
No, relax.
Okay.
So the thing is, I don't really blame them, but then I don't know how to explain it to them too. I can't look like my problem. One thing about me.
Facts.
Yes.
Facts.
And when I'm speaking to someone, the person will be like, Abi, you have money. And I sometimes, being sincere with myself, I don't have anything. I don't even have 10 pesos, but the person is saying, so whisker. Because of that, if the person wants to give you something, cry on farm out.
Yes.
You get it. I think that's a compliment I struggle to.
Yeah.
Yes. My my emotions. Yes, my emotions. At first when I love something or I'm in love with a person, you really see it. Like
that
you see that, hey, girl, you dear. And I think that's a weakness in the sense that the people tend to
take advantage.
Yes. So right now, I'm acting like a hard girl, which I'm not. But then, that's it.
Claiming a hard girl, which you're not. Sadly. Well, I would also go with emotions because as humans, the biggest part of us is our emotions, and they actually play a vital role in our lives. How you laugh, how you frown, you cry, moody, all those. those things come a long way. And then, emotions are one thing that you can't actually stop abruptly. You would surely want to, at a point, just like you said, I'll borrow your words, act tough. But acting tough too, in this sense, there are certain cases where it becomes difficult because that is not who you are. You are naturally a soft person.
Yes.
So how do you tend to act all tough when deep down you feel I'm doing too much?
Oh, it's not too much.
It is.
It's not too much.
Wow.
You are the one I'm saying this to.
Okay.
So for a new person coming to me, if the person comes to meet me as a tough person, the person will feel, okay, that's how I am. Deep down, I know that I'm not. But that's the image I'm trying to give the person. Do you understand?
I get it.
Yes.
But do you know, I don't know if it is me, but generally I've come to realize that all those tough skin ladies are generally soft on the inside. They just act tough on the outside so as not to be.
Yes, it's like.
Yes. So I feel
a defense mechanism you're building around yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
You ladies always have your guards high first to just try to protect yourself, save yourselves from any sort of. Yes, it's understandable. Yet still, if any man who is stubborn wants to penetrate, it is easy.
I see.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yes, definitely. I'm not saying this maybe because I am a guy or something. There are people, they don't like to persist. On first, second trials, they just withdraw. That I am a very consensual person.